Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Quick reminder, this video is made purely for educational purposes and is intended to raise awareness about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. We do not promote, encourage, or support any illegal or malicious activity. All tools, techniques, and topics shown in this video are meant for legal and ethical testing only, such as penetration testing on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. We are not responsible for any misuse of the information provided. Following your local laws and guidelines is your responsibility. Today, we're exposing just how much public data you leave behind on Instagram and how OSINT tools can access it. We'll break down 10 powerful tools, show you how they work, and give you a real look at how easy it is to collect this info. Ready to see what's out there? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about OSINT, a powerful command line tool specifically designed for Instagram intelligence gathering. If you're looking to dig deep into someone's Instagram presence, this is the tool you'll want in your arsenal. OSINT is open source and runs directly from your terminal, making it both accessible and highly customizable for different investigative needs. All you need to do is feed it a username, and OSINT gets to work. It can instantly pull up high-resolution profile pictures, detailed follower lists, post captions, and even a list of users who have been tagged in posts. This means you can quickly map out who someone interacts with and what kind of content they're sharing. OSINT also allows you to bulk download all public photos and videos from a target account, making it easy to archive content for later review or analysis. With these features, it's perfect for mapping out someone's entire social network, seeing not just who they follow, but who follows them and how they're connected to others. You can organize and analyze all the downloaded content, looking for patterns, connections, or even hidden details in images and captions that might otherwise go unnoticed. Curious about who someone interacts with the most? OSINT can reveal those top connections, showing you which users appear most frequently in their posts and comments. Getting started is simple. Just clone the OSINT repository from GitHub to your computer. For safety and privacy, always set up a burner Instagram account before running the script. This keeps your main account secure and avoids any unwanted attention. Once you're set up, run the script and watch as OSINT automatically collects and organizes data, saving you hours of manual work. Remember, always use a separate, disposable account for this kind of research to protect your identity and avoid violating Instagram's terms of service. OSINT demonstrates just how much information can be gathered from public Instagram profiles, making it an essential tool for open-source intelligence and digital investigations. Next up, let's talk about a tool that every digital detective should have in their arsenal: Sherlock. While Sherlock isn't designed just for Instagram, it's an essential resource for any kind of online investigation, no matter what platform you're focusing on. Whether you're tracking down a missing person, researching a potential scammer, or just trying to learn more about someone's online presence, Sherlock is a must-have. Here's how it works. You simply give Sherlock a username, any username you want to investigate, and it automatically checks hundreds of different websites to see where else that username pops up. It's like casting a wide net across the entire internet in seconds. People tend to reuse the same usernames across all sorts of platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, GitHub, and so many more. This habit makes it much easier to connect the dots between different online identities. When Sherlock finds a match, you suddenly have a whole new set of leads to follow. Maybe you'll discover a developer's GitHub account, an artist's portfolio on a forum, or a gamer's Twitch channel. Each match is a potential goldmine of information, giving you new angles to explore. Every new platform you uncover is a fresh source of clues: photos, posts, comments, or even connections to other people. The more platforms you find, the more complete your picture becomes. Sherlock is incredibly fast and efficient. Instead of spending hours manually searching for usernames, you can broaden your search instantly and cover far more ground in a fraction of the time. That's why Sherlock is the perfect first step before you dive deeper into any one profile. It helps you map out the digital landscape and decide where to focus your efforts next. Don't get tunnel vision by sticking to just one site. Sherlock helps you see the bigger picture, connecting accounts and revealing patterns you might otherwise miss. Remember, one username can open dozens of digital doors, each leading to new information and insights. With Sherlock, you're not just searching, you're uncovering the entire online world behind a single name. Instalooter is all about downloading every public photo and video from an Instagram account. Point it at a username and it creates a local archive. Profile pic, posts, everything. Why archive? You can analyze images for metadata or keep a record before content is deleted or made private. Instalooter lets you filter by date or monitor multiple accounts for new posts. It's fast, focused, and great for building a visual history. Just install, authenticate, and run. Simple as that. For visual data, Instalooter is hard to beat. Social Analyzer is your all-in-one dashboard for social media investigation. Enter a username, email, or phone number, and it scours dozens of platforms, including Instagram, for linked accounts. It generates detailed visual reports, profile pics, bios, follower counts, and recent activity, all side by side. You can spot connections, compare personas across platforms, and even get sentiment analysis. Social Analyzer is perfect for quickly building a complete online profile. Use the web interface or command line. Either way, it's a huge time saver. For broad investigations, this tool does the heavy lifting. When it comes to untangling the web of digital connections, Maltego stands out as the visual investigation powerhouse. It's the go-to tool for anyone who needs to make sense of complex relationships. Whether you're a cybersecurity analyst, a digital investigator, or just someone curious about how data points connect in the online world. Imagine you start with just an Instagram username. With a few clicks, Maltego springs into action, building a dynamic graph that reveals not only followers and mutual connections, but also tagged websites, associated accounts, and much more. It's like watching a digital spiderweb form in real time, each strand representing a potential lead or clue. Every single piece of information, an email address, a domain, a social media handle, becomes a node on your map. With Maltego's powerful transform functions, you can dig deeper, expanding your network to uncover hidden emails, linked domains, and even the underlying infrastructure that supports your target's online presence. Each click can reveal a new layer of connections, making your investigation richer and more detailed. What sets Maltego apart is its interactivity. You're not just looking at static data, you're actively exploring, following threads that stretch across the web. Start with Instagram, but don't stop there. Maltego lets you pivot to other platforms, websites, and data sources, giving you a holistic view of your subject's digital footprint. As your investigation grows, Maltego transforms raw, unstructured data into a vibrant visual network. Patterns and clusters emerge, making it easy to spot relationships, outliers, and potential red flags that would be nearly impossible to see in a spreadsheet or text file. Of course, mastering Maltego takes some dedication. The learning curve is real, especially if you want to unlock its full potential. But for those willing to invest the time, the payoff is enormous. You'll gain the ability to conduct investigations that are faster, more thorough, and far more insightful than traditional methods allow. The best part? You don't have to break the bank to get started. Download the free community edition from the official website, install it on your laptop, and you're ready to begin mapping out your own investigations. It's accessible, powerful, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. When it comes to understanding relationships and data, nothing beats Maltego's visual approach. Instead of sifting through endless rows and columns, you see connections instantly, making your analysis more intuitive and effective. This is how professional investigators see the forest, not just the trees. Teams can collaborate, share findings, and build comprehensive maps that reveal the bigger picture behind any digital investigation. So if your goal is to connect the dots, uncover hidden relationships, and truly understand the networks that shape our digital world, Maltego is the tool you need in your investigative arsenal. Instagram Scraper is all about bulk data extraction. Scrape photos, videos, captions, hashtags, likes, and comments from multiple accounts at once. Feed it a list of usernames or hashtags, and it downloads everything in structured formats like JSON. Great for tracking groups, events, or trends. Just set it up and let it run. It's flexible, fast, and perfect for large-scale research. Watch out for Instagram's rate limits. Use proxies and delays to avoid blocks. For big data projects, Instagram Scraper is your friend. Reconnaissance is a modular OSINT framework modeled after Metasploit. Load up modules to search for names, usernames, domains, and more. Then link everything in a structured workspace. For Instagram, use it to find accounts, then pivot to other platforms automatically. Every discovery is stored in a database, making your investigation organized and repeatable. It's for advanced users, but it brings discipline and structure to your OSINT workflow. Reconnaissance is about building a chain of evidence, not just collecting random data. If you want a systematic approach, this is the industry standard. It's the backbone of serious digital investigations. Spiderfoot automates OSINT like nothing else. Give it a username, email, or domain, and it runs hundreds of modules to find everything it can across social media, websites, and more. It's recursive, finds new info, then uses that to dig even deeper. The web interface makes it easy to visualize connections and trace data paths. Free and open source, Spiderfoot is perfect for casting a wide net. For broad, automated reconnaissance, including Instagram, this tool is a powerhouse. Let Spiderfoot do the heavy lifting while you analyze the results. Gunt is all about Google accounts, but it's a secret weapon for Instagram OSINT. Many people use Gmail to sign up for Instagram. Find the email, and Gunt can reveal names, profile pics, public photos, and even linked YouTube or Maps activity. Sometimes emails are in Instagram bios or linked websites. Gunt lets you pivot from Instagram to a person's entire Google ecosystem. It's a command line tool, but the insights are unique. Think public calendars, reviews, and more. OSINT is about thinking laterally, not just scraping one site. Gunt helps you build a complete digital profile. Twint is a Twitter scraping tool, but it's essential for cross-referencing Instagram targets. People often use the same username. Find their Twitter, and you can scrape tweets, likes, followers, and more. Twitter reveals conversations, opinions, and connections you won't see on Instagram. Twint helps you map out social networks and spot key relationships. It's flexible, fast, and doesn't require Twitter's API. Use Instagram info as your starting point, and Twint will help you fill in the gaps. For a richer multi-platform profile, Twint is a must. That's 10 powerful OSINT tools for uncovering public info on Instagram and beyond. The real lesson? Every post, tag, and follow leaves a digital breadcrumb. Use this knowledge to protect your privacy, not invade others. Stay curious, stay ethical, and always think before you share. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. See you next time.